Look at this pretty little Oxalis. It's from South Africa. It gives us warm winter cheer in the cold winter time. It warms us up. It warms us up. Isn't it lovely? Some type of Oxalis from South Africa. I've introduced it all over the grounds because it's so lovely and can look after itself. It's so drought resistant, so tough, so beautiful. This Cape honeysuckle is from South Africa too. It's still blooming at this cold time of year. It's so cold lately. It's getting so cold. I can't use this camera's upside down. This camera's upside down and I've forgotten how to use it because it's upside down. Look, isn't it lovely? Look, isn't it so lovely? I'll stand right way up. There we are. This is a Cape honeysuckle from the Cape region of South Africa. Isn't it gorgeous? And it's still blooming at this cold time. It'll soon be too cold, but this sort of thing warms us up on a cold day. Just seeing it warms you up. This is another Cape honeysuckle I bought off eBay. It was supposed to be yellow, but look, it turned out apricot. I should get my money back, shouldn't I? This is Tecoma capensis from the Cape region of South Africa, but it's not the colour I wanted. It's pretty enough though. It's pretty enough. Look, it's a pretty pale apricot colour. But it's not the yellow golden I expected. It was sold as yellow. This Cape honeysuckle looks quite red, doesn't it, really? I don't know if it's a red one or just one that looks red. It might be an orange one that just happens to look rather red because of the light. But look, that's a beautiful red colour, isn't it? In the cold weather, you definitely need some bright red and gold to warm you up. You really do. Look at that. Well, that's orange, isn't it? Isn't it lovely? Gorgeous Tecoma capensis. I think it has been called Tecoma capensis as well. Look, it's going all over that water tank now. It should be nice next season, next summer. Merlin the magician in the garden. That's who I am. Should I put my hood up? This is from St. Vinny's or from Target. Some people say Target, don't they? We say Target. Selfie. See you then. Oh, you're so beautiful, aren't you? Little Cape Town friend.